we will see few more sums from chapter 1 of word problems. I will read the word problem for you. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week. This is the amount is given which was sold in the first week. Then books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week. So we will underline the information what is given. First we have underlined the first week, then second week. The amount was in first week was rupees 2,85,891. In second week the amount was 4,768. Now further they have asked us how much was the sale for 2 weeks together. And the second question is asked, in which week was the sale greater and by how much? So we will read one more time. How much was the sale for 2 weeks together? Together we have to tell them what was the sale. Second question is, in which week was the sale more and by how much? So let's note down what is given first. So what is given here? The first thing we will write, books sold in the first week worth rupees 2,85,891. Second thing we will note down, books sold in the second week worth rupees 4,768. Now what do we need to find out? We have already noted down here. Total sale for 2 weeks we need to find out first. This will be our first step, and second step will be we need to find out the sale, more sale, in which week, first week or second week. So we will start for the solution. We will go for the first one, total sale for 2 weeks. When the word total has come, the together word has appeared in your word problem. Total sale or 2 weeks together. So what we will do? We need to add here. We will see the addition. So we will add here to find out total sale. We will add 2,85,891 plus 4,768. So after addition we get 716 plus 560. So total sale was for worth rupees 6,86,659. This was the first step. Now we will go for the second step, more sale. We need to find out more sale. This was the first step. Now we will find out more sale. Now how do we will do this? More sale. Now we will find the difference. Which is the bigger number here? Yes. So I will write that first. 4,768 minus 2,85,891. We will find the difference here. Let's do the subtraction. 8 minus 1 is 7. 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 16 minus 6 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the difference is 1,14,877. We found out both the answers. Now we will write this final statement. We will write the final answer. What was the question here? How much was the sale for 2 weeks together? So the sale was rupees 6,86,659 for the 2 weeks together. This was the answer for the first step. Now for the second step, they have asked us which was the cell, where was the cell was more, in which week and by how much. So if you compare here, you can see the bigger number here, the amount is bigger here than this. So this was the sale for second week. So we will write the sale was more in second week. In second week, by how much rupees? So we will write by rupees 1,14,877. So finally we have done it. The two steps will come here. First was addition, then was the difference. Now we will see one more sum. I will read it for you. Find the difference between the greatest and least 5-digit number. So we will underline what are the keywords here. Find the difference. The word difference means we have to find the difference, means we have to compare between the greatest number. Greatest is biggest number, and least. What does it mean? Least means smallest number. Now how many digits they have mentioned? 5-digit number. We will read it again. Find the difference between the greatest and least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits. Which are the digits given here? They have told you to use only these digits. Which are these? 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Each only once. This is the condition that you have to use these digits only one time, once. You cannot repeat. You cannot use it again and again. Only once. One time you have to use. Which are the digits given? 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3. So we will note down what is given here. First we will write the greatest number. Now read these digits, the given digits. Decide which is the greatest digit among this. 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. In this, which is the greatest one? Biggest one? 7. After that, 6. After that, 4, 3, 2. Now they have told us to form the 5-digit number. 5 digits. So we will check whether it is 5-digit or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. So yes, it's correct. It's a 5-digit greatest number we have written. Now smallest number we will form. Again we have to use these only digits. Find out which is the smallest digit here. 2. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Again you count whether it is a 5-digit number or not. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Done. Now we need to find out what they have told us to find out. Difference. So to find difference, what we need to do? We have to do which operation you will do here? Subtraction. Yes. So this is your solution now. We will take these numbers down. Minus 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. Take the third row 12 minus 7 is 5. Here 2 minus 6 not possible. Borrow 6. 3 minus 4 not possible. Borrow. So 13 minus 4 you get 9. Here 5 answer, what they have asked us to find out? The difference. So you will see the difference is, you will write the final answer. The difference is 82,965. So it is 52,965. Now we will see the third sum. I will read it for you. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. What is the length of cloth is given? 2 meter 15 centimeter. I have underlined the length of the cloth which you need to stitch a shirt. A word is mentioned here. What does it indicate? A shirt means, yes, one shirt. So to stitch one shirt you need 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth out of 40 meter cloth. 40 meter is the total length of the cloth is given here. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched? The question is, the total length is given. And from that length of the cloth, 40 meter cloth, how many shirts we can stitch? Number of shirts we have to tell here. One more question is here, and how much cloth will remain? So total length of the cloth is given 40 meter. You have to find out how many shirts you can stitch it from that, and whatever the remaining cloth will be there, you have to mention that. Now we will see what is given, that we will first start listing down. So the first one is cloth for shirt. Cloth for one shirt. I will write here 2 meter 15 centimeter. So what we need to do now, here 2 meter 15 centimeter is written, and in the total length of cloth 40 meter is written. So meter, both the units are same here, but here extra added centimeter. So we have to convert 2 meter 15 centimeter into centimeter. So which formula we need to use here? When you convert from meter to centimeter, the formula is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we will multiply here 2 into 100 plus 50 centimeter. So total you get here 250 centimeter. So this conversion we have done in first step. Now second, the total cloth. Total cloth they have mentioned here 40 meter. Now we need to convert this also into centimeter. So we will multiply 40 by 100. So you will get direct multiplication we will do here. 4 ones are 4. And how many zeros you can see here? 1, 2, 3. That many zeros we will give here. So you got it 4000 centimeter. So first one was 215 centimeter. That was the cloth you need for one shirt. And this is the total length of the cloth 40 meter, which we have converted into centimeter. It has the 4000 centimeter. Now what do we need to find out? They told us to find out the number of shirts will be stitched in 40 meter cloth, and what will be the remaining cloth. Now we will divide 4000. We will divide 4000 divided by 250. Now first what you have to do, you will prepare a table for 250. Do mental calculation and you will get the answers. Now here is the 3 digit. We will go for 3 digit here also. We will find such a number which is less than 400. So find in this table which number you can choose. So if we see, we find 215 is the number. So 215 ones are, we will minus this from here, 250. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 185, we got the number here. Now the next step, we will take this 0 down here. Again you go for the table of 215 and find out the smaller number than this, because we have to minus from this. So if you see the table, which number you can see? Yes, we will go for 8 sir. 215 8 sir. 1720. Now you minus this. Minus 2, 3, 1 and 0. Now 130 is your remainder. 18 is your quotient. So 18 is the number of shirts. From 4000 centimeter cloth, how many shirts we can stitch? 18. 18 shirts we can stitch.